this is awesome. This is their nursery section. Here. Wait a minute. Let me just pan around. But here's their nursery section. I filmed some videos here before. I wanted to re-show some of these individually because they're really, really interesting. And just so many amazing animals. There's all different information about the different corals. I really want to show you this over here.
That's a good question. It's not actually spelled like cuddle, so that's not like a smuggle.
This is really cool. These are cuttlefish. Look at those things.
My favorite though.
Wow, look how that's shimmering like with color. That is awesome looking. Very pretty. So very alien-like. Yeah, but if you look closely, they actually look like they're changing colors on those.
That is the clinic sort of they lay 1,000 eggs.
It's really awesome looking.
These guys, the female lays about 50 eggs.
These are cuttlefish.
And the male wraps up 7 around. That's for about 2.5 weeks.
Very cool. These are really cool looking cleaner shrimp. With all those little legs, they almost remind me of spiders. Because they have some clownfish in there. Well, they're right next to where the cuttlefish were. And there's some bigger ones in there too. And here's mangroves.
Water pHs. We didn't know until much later because the other ones we didn't.
I could be here all day going into these things. Oh, there's some sort of snail in there too. Oh, there's a really big starfish in back right there. That's cool. Here's a giant clam.
So that's the female. So the female's always the largest. She, when they're in egg form,
oh, there's a little starfish right there.
When a male or female dies, the largest male will take over that role, grow a little bit larger, and then usually pick the next largest male to be the male. And so that's kind of how they end up doing population control. Sorry, other guys are like this.
I can't believe how tiny those little starfish could be.
Yeah, that's right. So our method would be like both ways for the chains. This is a one-way thing. Linear.
I have a shot. That's the exact concept you're asking for. Yeah, that's exactly what happens.
Yeah. We can actually do one better than that for Jurassic Park because we have spotted eagle rays, which is like Mr. Ray. We pull the males out of that group. Yeah. The females, I pull myself. I on a ray are like 25% with a snail. When they come themselves.
These are clownfish and amoeba.
You're basically breeding on yourself. Yeah. Every single. Yeah.
Until they find a male. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, but it's the last best chance. Yeah.
Look at that. That is awesome.
Yeah.
So I actually have one story better than that. Go back to that. Why not?
That is a beautiful fish.
What happened?
That's Nemo's dad, or Nemo himself. But this is a really cool section.
You see Nemo? Where is he?
There's some other tanks and stuff back there. Kind of like the backstage areas. But there's a lot of cool stuff in there.
Water quality issues, nervous so it's something entirely important.
But a lot of beautiful fish and wildlife in there.
So yeah, it's just when I work with restaurants, stuff, we just like Cuba, like people that they had like those like a rare like 3 different hours like those things, and everyone was like, oh, you must eat.
Look how beautifully peaceful that is in there, looking in there. I could literally watch this all day, guys. Some really pretty fish.
Yeah, right, exactly. It's great. And now, so I think we want to go. I don't know that guy. Let's go. And I was like, I love that guy. And I like, because now I'm like, this you're just talking to me for the best part of the day.
Good, that's what I like to hear.
This is fantastic. This is so
Animal Kingdom obviously is amazing, but like this aquarium alone.
Oh, look, they have a little Mickey right there. See right there? Little Mickey. They also have some interactive like games you could play over there, and there, I think. Yeah, but this is their nursery section. This is really cool.
You're from the guys, right? You're from the guys.